Huh? Woo! Oh!
Is still upset with you, Master.
Oh, he wants a rematch, does he? Well, he's no match for me. There you are. What's going on?
Wait, is this about you and Romeo again? PJ Robot, don't! We know you're mad at him, but you've got to calm down.
Gekko's right. Heroes don't make trouble. We fix it. Please.
This is no good for you, or the city. You have to back down before it gets even worse.
I know Romeo started it, but the more annoyed you get, the more annoyed he gets. And...
Super Cat Jump!
Hang in there, PJ Robot! To the Owl Glider! Who's been a bad mini-bot? Time to come home to your master!
How are you doing that? With the Pawn Stone, of course. You see, all I really needed was for you to break it off for me. And now it's giving me full control of your sub. Or should I say, my Octo sub. Buckle up, Tadpole. It's gonna be a wild ride. Huh?
Whoa! On my cat's whiskers! I knew Gekko shouldn't have touched it.
We've got to pull the Pawn Stone away and save him. Come on!
Octobella! Help me!
Come on! Bet you can't catch a speedy cat!
Oh, yeah? Hi, Octobella. Bird Girl! Come back here!
Yoo-hoo! Over here, Octobella!
Come and get us!
Oh, I will! Uh-oh!
So dizzy. Gekko, you nearly wrecked the PJ sub.
I didn't! Octobella did!
Relax. We'll get your Gekko-mobile back. Tomorrow night. PJ Masks, so shout hooray!
you silly wolfie, or I'll run!
He's out of control!
Let's go back to look for a werewolf cure.
We can't just abandon him. He's our friend.
Oh! Gekko, be careful!
Super Gekko shield!
I gotcha!
Thanks.
No problem. But see what Kevin can do? We've got to leave him.
No, we can't. I've got a plan. Go to the rocket ship and wait for my signal. Let's do it. Hey, big bad wolfie, can't catch me.
Over here, buddy!
Okay, guys, now! Werewolf howl, meet cat roar!
Let's go!
Gotcha! Okay, Crystal and Moonlight made a werewolf, but we've just got light from the sun! What happened? I think you went full wolfie.
Come on, PJ Masks. Lead the dragon this way. The mountain is giving me power. You again? Super Gekko shield! No, I cannot let the dragon breath touch them. But how without my powers? Guys, a little help! Won't be able to hold them off for long. If anyone is to be cursed for 1,000 years, it should be me, not my friend. And you! Mountain power! What's going on? I do not know. The power? How did it come all this way?
Let's use it. I'll draw this guy's fire. Hey, bad breath dragon! Over here!
Thanks, buddy. Buddy, that is it. The mountain must have sensed my need to help my friends, and now it's helping me. Dragon curse, be gone! Woohoo! You did it! You stopped the dragon! Yes, and I have solved the riddle too.
Huh?
To fight a dragon with fiery eyes, prepare yourself for a friendly surprise. The power of friendship. Help me! I'm in here!
She's in there.
Super Gekko muscles!
Silly PJs.
Look out!
I can't believe you fell for it. Why don't you do that when I do bad stuff?
'Cause Matsuki's bad is betterer. Luna trapped, PJ's trapped, and PJ rocket ship mine.
You wouldn't.
Matsuki best villain ever. Bye!
Little sister
blisters, huh?
Easy peasy. Mia, Luna. Me no light. Make it stop.
Okay, lizard legs, that weakened it.
Super Gekko muscles!
Owl wing wind!
Anyu's changed the magical code again. Ninja jump!
Stop right there!
Huh?
Owl wing wind!
Ninja fingers will bring it back.
Slithering serpents!
Get ready to be petrified.
Aha! Monkey goo! No! Monkey goo! You'll get zapped! Monkey goo! Are you okay? You could have gotten turned into stone doing what you did.
He did it anyway, to save us.
You don't need to be goodified. You already have good in you.
Thank you, Monkey goo.
Get me out of here! Hey, stop that! Oops, almost forgot about him. What should we do? Pat him on the head 3 times?
According to my scroll, you can free both ninjas simply by reversing the wand's direction.
I'll get you next time, PJ Pests. You've got to be more entertaining. Do some moves. Moves? I can do that. Now.
What? Stop him!
Huh?
Wow, this is the worst show ever.
And it's time to put a stop to it.
Let's rock! Get them!
There, straight to the source of the signal.
Owl wing wind! On it!
Super Gekko muscles!
Thanks a million!
Hey! This is my show!
Bedtime, everyone.
Nighty-night! Bring them back! I mean, if you don't, you'll never find the real Jaden.
What? He's here? Huh? Maybe it is him.
Catboy, concentrate on the mission.
You're right, Gekko. Getting everyone to bed is what matters.
Ooh, put your mask on, yeah. Groovy.
You PJ Masks ruin everything!
And that's the last one. Gekko?
Super Gekko muscles!
I'll be the star of the show next time! Title, Romeo wins the day!
Your family. sorry, too, for running away and not trusting us to do the right thing.
What's this?
That is so Master can turn PJ Robot back into his own mindless mini-bot.
No way is that gonna happen!
Quick, before he smashes through!
Wait, maybe we do some reprogramming of our own. Lie down and pretend you're in Romeo's control.
Aha! Slithering serpents, what have you done to him, Romeo? Nothing much. Just hacked into a system to make him do what I say forever. Then he'll give me access to all of those HQ secrets.
Not if we stop you first!
Super Gekko camouflage. Too late, PJ Pests. Face it, you dropped the ball. Aren't these ball jokes hilarious? Robot, help me beat these pests. Come to think of it, why don't you help too, mini-bots?
Yes, Master!
Lights! What's happening? It's payback time, Romeo. You thought you'd taken over PJ Robot, but he's taken over your lab. Robot, help me!
No, you did not help me when I was hurt, and I am moved by how nice the PJ Pests are to their robot.
How about being nice to me, metalhead?
Not unless you do something nice for me first.
I'll drain your battery!
No, something nice.
I'll throw you on the trash heap!
No.
Flossie, watch out!
So, what's the story?
Oh, I thought you were too busy.
Tell me quickly. I'll catch up with them.
Well, it's terrible. Flossie's in trouble. She's been captured by her new enemy, Splashy Splash. Wanna read? Come on, your team doesn't care. Go on, turn the page.
Okay. Huh.
Fluttering feathers! Anchors away.
No!
Isn't it awesome what specially made magic octopus ink can do? Like make this portal to my lair.
Let me out of here!
Now you can stay with me forever. You and me, a team. That'll make that green slimy gecko mad. The PJ masks are no more. I've got a new bestie now, Percival. A girl who likes comics just like me. See ya, shrimp.
The markers are back where they belong. Job well done, PJ Masks.
Hey, where's Owlette?
Let's go back and look for her. That's it!
Armadylan, wait!
I haven't been a wise master until now. You need to climb your inner mountain. Can't hear, too angry. True heroes don't need magic. They fix stuff themselves. So calm down. Take a deep breath.
Yeah, breathe, Armadylan!
Or you'll smash up the whole city!
Catboy! Armadylan! Breathe, Armadylan! You'll feel stronger inside! Stronger inside?
Yes, just try it, please.
Stronger inside! You spoiled my
You lose. I'm gonna... Armadylan! I'm gonna do a tranquil sit-down. Armadylan Zen style. Way to go, Armadylan! I mean, excellent control, my pupil. And stay off my mountain! Ha! Deep breaths, Night Ninja. Nice work.
Inner peace.
Yeah, right on, Armadylan. Pow! Ow!